Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk you through the simple steps on how to allow Ask for Notifications permission on the Facebook app when using your PC, especially after the new update. If you've noticed changes and can't figure out how to manage your notification settings, don't worry. We've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so everything loads correctly. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of the app window. You'll see 3 small dots. Click on them. This opens up a quick menu with several options to help manage your app preferences. From this list, select App Info. This will redirect you to a new window showing details about the Facebook app installed on your system. Now from here, scroll down just a little and click on Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for an option called More Settings and Permissions. This is where you'll find deeper control over how the app interacts with your device. Click on it. Now, locate the Notifications section. This is key. There, you'll see several choices for how notifications are handled. What we're looking for is the option labeled Ask. This allows Facebook to prompt you for permission each time it wants to send a new type of notification, rather than turning everything on or off automatically. Click on the switch next to Ask, and you're all set. This setting gives you better control over what alerts you receive and when. It's perfect if you want to stay updated but don't want to be overwhelmed with constant pings and pop-ups. And that's it. Quick, easy, and tailored to your preferences. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like and consider subscribing for more simple tech guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.